Good afternoon. I'm Sylvie the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am documenting some things that my daughter brought me back from Japan, and this is one of them. It's called A Tiny Flower Story. This was a bag that something she bought was in, but here I put a mushroom. My daughter Bethany did this diamond painting on here, and I started the start date, summer 2024. I'm probably going to cut this out and cut this all out and put them on a page. And then over here I documented a weekend with our daughter Bethany. There's some pictures in this. This is like a 60s, can't really see her face in this one, so I guess that's okay. Like little note card. So I put that in the pocket. This is a game that we play. This was a diamond art unicorn she made, and then she made some crafts. This was a chick, there it is, and a turkey. I don't know if you can see that one, but there. So she made those two crafts while she was here, and I just made that into a pocket. And let's see what's next. Oh, some pages of my grandkids on top of a McDonald's bag, because we went to McDonald's for breakfast. The grandkids came over that weekend too. And then here I'm going to document our ticket, our receipt. Sorry, our receipt for the parking garage at the airport. She had brought some of the kids little Japanese pajamas, and these are the tags that were on them, so I thought they were cool, and I'm going to put those in there somehow. She went to some places and got stamps from them. This is Rabbit Island, Hiroshima. I can't read what that says without my glasses on, so that will go in there. This is another little tiny one. She told me what it was, but I don't remember. And then this is their plastic food bags, food storage bags. I'm probably just going to cut this out. I just thought it was interesting because it's all in Japanese, and I thought that was cute. So that is what we're going to document today. And I think I probably am just going to put this right on here like this. And I'm going to do that with some tape runner. Hopefully it will work out good. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. We have unfortunately had some tragic news. Not us personally, but for our town. A 14-year-old boy has disappeared from right around the corner of this graveyard, right around the corner from our house. So it's very upsetting, and I really hope that they find him safe. It's kind of scary. Okay, so that's going to go on that page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a brad, and I'm going to put all these little tags on the same brad, possibly. I think I am going to cut this apart. And I don't know what their money is called. I'll have to ask her. This one has got a thing too. Maybe, well, I'm going to put the paper bag on this side. I think I'm going to get my brad out. I still have some pretty flowers. Brads. I have a purple, mostly just purple and orange left. And let's just see. I'm going to put this way. because we can see the Japanese writing better. Nothing on the back of that. Let's see. These are actually exactly the same, so I think I'm just going to leave one out. And let's do it like this. And then probably washing instructions maybe. Yeah, I think we'll do that. And I'm just going to poke a little hole right up here. I could use my crocodile, but I don't want to get it out, so I'm going to poke that right there. Put this right here. Okay, that's going to work out good. Okay, so there we go. We have that on there. Those are all the tags and the stamps. And now I'm going to close this book for now, or actually I can just do that. And figure out how I'm going to cut this out if I'm going to fussy cut. I don't think I'm going to fussy cut. Let's just do it like this. There. It was chocolate sweets. I think she said they were like decorator cookies, if I remember now correctly. Like really fancy cookies that someone had given her as a gift. And she thought the bag was cute. She thought I would like it, and she was right. Alright, now this side. Let's cut off as much of this as we can. Alright. There we go. And I think it's going to fit absolutely perfectly. So that's going to go there. And that's got nothing on it. So that's some kind of Japanese writing. So what I think I'm going to do is staple it on the top, and I don't know if this will fit. Will it fit under there? Oh yeah, that'll fit. So I'll glue these down. Under here, just like that. Oh. Alright, so I forgot I had this, and I think this is just a little bit too small, but I do have this, this is a 2-inch, and I also have, what else do I have? This one's slightly smaller than the 2-inch. I think I'm going to cut that out as a scalloped circle. Yeah, I need to just go over a little bit more to get it in the center. I've also got my receipt. Yeah, that looks nice. So we'll have that. Got this. I got a lot of things here. Oh, and this is a picture of the pajamas. They're like little kimonos with shorts. I don't know if you can tell from this little tiny picture, but that's what that is. And I had forgotten about my receipt from the airport, but now the first thing I want to do is glue these down. I'm filming this on July 26th, and that would have been my father's 94th birthday, had he lived. Alright, so that's going there. I was thinking about making this a pocket, but I think it's going to be too small. This I'm going to staple go up like that. And then I'll figure out the rest. I don't want to staple over the tags. Okay, that's good. And she also sent me these, got me these stickers of leaves, pine cones, and acorns. So I'm going to put some of those on. But I do think, I don't know, this is, I feel like this is not tall enough to, well, what if I put this in an envelope? Let's do that. We'll put that in an envelope. I have little envelopes. Right. Color do I want? First, I think I'll cut this to size. I don't want to cut too much. I kind of want that to still sort of be in the middle. So there's that. It's actually got a double layer right here. Okay, so we'll put that like that. I'm assuming, hopefully, that it's not upside down. I should have asked, I guess. Let's get blue this time. So that's going to go in there. And I'm going to put that right on top of that. And hopefully it can take glue. It feels almost plasticky. Okay, so we'll do that. And again, I don't know which way is the right way. My daughter is actually not here right now. She's visiting my other son. This got so gunky. Okay, I'm going to have to wait for that to dry to push it in all the way. And then I thought I can put this picture of the little outfit right on here. And actually I'll do it that way. And staple that to the top of that. That is what I'm going to do. I just thought of that. Just right now. Let's do it. I have 2 blue envelopes apparently. Alright. You see? Hopefully I'm not getting it all over my desk. Okay. So that's going to go right on here. Put it down a little bit lower because I'm going to have to staple that on. Okay. I am going to get my little glue eraser. I got the cutest little desk vacuum at Dollar Tree, which I need to show you in a minute. But I'm going to staple this on here. And, oops, are we out of staples? There's a couple more. I don't know if it'll work that way. Apparently, I might need to put some more in. Oh, it worked. Alright, so we've got that. And I'm going to put just a couple of these on the pocket. If I want to, I can put some writing paper here. Something like that. I really like these. There's actually 5 of every design, which is kind of nice. You usually just get 2. So she does go to Daiso a lot, which I wish I could go. I want to go to a Daiso so bad. I'm going to have to come back after I get these off, and I will also show you the little vacuum cleaner. So these are like little washi stickers, And I have to say it was very hard to get them off without ripping them. I did rip this one a little bit, but there's that. And this is the adorable little vacuum cleaner that I got from Dollar Tree. It has a filter in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't stay on. But I honestly, I might have to glue it on. I'm not sure if it matters. But anyways, it also has to be plugged in. It's not chargeable, so that's a drawback, but it's still pretty darn cute.